Yes, students, now we will look at a cash book, a 3-column cash book, a question. Here it says a 3-column cash book is to be written up from the following details: balance off and posted to the relevant discount accounts in the cash book, in the general ledger, sorry, in the general ledger. In the general ledger. Alright, says 2005. I'm going to ask you to pause to write up these questions as I write up the question. Please write it off. Write it off, please. Alright, March 1 balances brought forward: cash $230, bank $4,756. Write off this, please. March 2, the following paid their accounts by check, in each case deducting 5% cash discounts, and the accounts are R. Burton $140, E. Taylor $220, R. Harris $300. March 4, paid rent by check $120. March 6, J. Cotton lent us $1,000, paying by check. Write down the question as we go along, please. March 8, we paid the following accounts by check, in each case deducting a 2.5% cash discount. This is supposed to be 2.5%. Sorry about that, friends. This is supposed to be 2.5%. In this case, deducting a 2.5% cash discount. March 10, paid motor expenses in cash $44. March 12, H. Hankins paid his account of $77 by check, $74, deducting $3 cash discount. March 15, paid staff in cash $160. March 18, the following paid their accounts by check, in each case deducting 5% cash discount. Accounts: C. Winston $260, R. Wilson and Son $340, H. Winter $460. March 21, cash with John from bank $350 for business use. March 24, cash drawings $120. March 25, paid T. Burrs his account of $140 by cash of $133, having deducted $7 cash discount. March 29, bought fixtures, paying by check $650. March 31, receive commission by check $88. Hope punchers that you have written down these questions. Thank you very much, because when I begin to do the question, I won't be going back to the questions. I was reading, I was saying the questions, and then it would have been appropriate for you to have the sheet in front of you while I go along. So I hope and trust that you would have written off the question. I will go again. Question 1. Pause the video, write it off. Pause the video, write it off. Pause the video, write it off. Pause the video and write it off. Write out the question, the transactions, please. If you did not do that, I cannot help you again. Well, friends, let's get to work now. Alright. First thing, before we start, when we start our cash book, first thing you do is write in our title, and it will be cash book, right? Cash book is our title. Yes, and then I will make something clear now that we're going to make up some folding numbers, yeah, friends. So we're going to call this cash book, we're going to call this cash book, page 100, and I guess you'll understand what is page 100 means. It's page 100. That means you record your transactions on page 100 of the cash book. Alright, friends? Alright. And then we're going to make up some folder numbers as well. Alright. First question that we have here is is March 1 balances brought forward cash $230, bank $4,756. Before we go any further, let us put in our dollar signs, right? Agree? Yes. Let's put in our dollar signs because they are of real importance. We are dealing with money here, my friends. Money. Let's put in our dollar signs. Next, first thing is first, you put in the year, which is 2005. Alright. So now, friends, the first one says March 1 balances brought forward cash $230, bank $4,756. Now, in this case, the first thing I have to do is write, March 1. Remember that balances BD is brought forward would write what? BF, right? In this case, we write balances BF. How much is cash? $230, and the amount for bank is $4,756. So this is our first entry, my friends. So a while ago, so therefore when it says balance brought forward, we would do this, my friends. Alright, our second transaction says May 2. The following, I hope you are following with me on what we have written down. May 2, the following paid their accounts by check, in each case deducting 5% cash discounts. And the accounts are as follows: R. Burton $140, E. Taylor $220, and R. Harris $20. The following paid their accounts by check. That means that these persons are paying us by check. Therefore, we would call these what? Receipts. And remember that this side of the cash book, the left-hand side of the cash book, is called the receipts side, my friends. Alright, this is called the receipts side. Receipt side, that is what you receive, and this side is called the what? Payment side. So whatever you pay out goes over this side, and whatever you receive come on this side. In this case, you are receiving money from R. Burton, E. Taylor, and H. Harris. Therefore, and you are giving them 5% cash discount. Therefore, we're going to find 5% of each of these figures, deduct it, write the discount, write the figure under the discount allowed column, and the other figure under the bank column, because they are paying the accounts by check. Now, therefore, first things first, March 2. First person is who? Mr. R. Burton. The amount is $140, and we are doing 5% cash discount, right? So we're gonna find 5%, 5,100 times 140. That would equal to 7. Therefore, we're gonna write 7 right here, and then you're gonna subtract the 7 from the 140, which will leave you with what? $133. We will do the same thing for the other one, who is Mr. E. Taylor, and it is 5% of $220. So you're going to say 5 divided by 100 times 220 equal to 11. So when we write the 11 that we got under the discount allowed column, you're going to subtract the 11 from the 220. So you say 220 minus 11 equal to 209. Yes. Alright. Next one, March 2. Again, Mr. R. Harris. Now you're going to find the discount again. 5% of 300. You're going to say 5 divided by 100 times 300 equal 15. So when we write 15 right here, and 300 minus, and we deduct 15 from the 300, so we'll say 300 minus 15 equal to 285, and we'll place 285 right here. So this is how you do this particular one, my friends. These persons are paying you, and giving them some amount of discounts, my friends. Hope and trust you have seen that one. We call this SL3 because it says that you got, because we sold them goods, we sold them goods and credit, but they are no paying for their debts. Alright, next one, March 4. Says that we paid rent by check. Therefore, this transaction will be recorded on the what? Payment side, right? And the payment side is would refer to it as the credit side. Otherwise, right? Yes. So we record on the payment side. 2005, March 4. And we paid what? Rent by what? We paid rent by check. Therefore, the bank account is decreasing this time around. Paid rent by check. Yes, sir. Paid rent by check. So the bank account is decreasing, right, my friends? Yes, the bank account is decreasing because we paid rent by check. We call it general ledger, GL10. That is, we're going to record this on page 10 of the general ledger. So now the amount is $120. That's the amount for that one, my friends.